how does this project produces fresh water?
So, I'm sure you already know about ROs. These use a process of reverse osmosis in which pressurized water is passed through semi-permeable membranes. In short, this process separates out the ions, which include sand, dirt, salt and other pollutants from clean drinkable water. This results in us getting clean, drinkable and potable water.
And what do you have for a long-term vision for this?
So some of the future advancements for desalination would mainly focus on further enhancing the energy efficiency and sustainability. One of the promising directions is the development of graphene-based membranes, which could significantly increase water permeability while maintaining or improving salt rejection capabilities. In addition, integrating renewable energy sources like solar or wind power could drastically lower operational costs and reduce the carbon emissions associated with desalination plants, further aligning them with global sustainability goals. Moreover, an exciting frontier in desalination lies in the extraction of rare metals and minerals such as lithiums, which can transform these desalination plants into dual-purpose facilities. So, in short, our plant would not only address global water scarcity but also generate valuable resources, promoting a circular economy.
Oh wow.
I also have a question for you. How does your desalination project contribute to local economic and social development?
So, let's tackle them one by one. For the local level, our plant opens up many opportunities for jobs as well as businesses. Our desalination plant helps to tackle a problem faced by over 65% of the population of India, which is in rural areas. These people do not have access to proper clean drinkable water. They struggle with this every day in their lives. So, our plant is an easy access for clean drinkable water as well as jobs and many other opportunities.